Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the Mibro GS Pro has enough battery and the phone's Bluetooth and location are on. This reduces connection drops. Open the Mibro Fit app and pair the watch, then grant precise location permission so GPS data can flow. Once done, switch the watch to an outdoor or running activity to force the GPS module awake. This initial activation primes satellites and the companion app syncs settings, which speeds up the first fix and avoids wasted retries. You now move to an open area and keep the watch steady with a clear sky view. Buildings, trees, and metal can block signals and cause drift. Once outside, start an outdoor activity and wait for roughly 30 to 90 seconds while the satellite icon fills. This is the first fix period when the watch downloads ephemeris data. If signal is slow, make sure assisted GPS or network assistance is enabled in the app because it helps reduce time to first fix by using cell or Wi-Fi data. You finish your activity to force the watch to write the GPS track and then sync it immediately to the Mibro Fit app so nothing is lost. After syncing, review the route on the map for accuracy and export if needed. Slight deviations can be normal near tall structures. If GPS fails or jitter appears, reboot the watch and phone, repair the device, clear the app cache, and check for firmware updates. These steps remove software hiccups and usually restore reliable satellite fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.